Morning. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? How is my recap looking? Guys, this is a week cap. You see? This is a week cap. Recap. Look at how it looks. This is how it looks. Look at the cars. I love the cars. Guys, if you are interested in this wig, it's available. It's available at our shop. How do I look, guys? It's my first time to try a cap. Oh my god, isn't this amazing? It's my first time to try a cap. This is a wig. So guys, I'm already at work. Guys, do you remember this wig? This one. So today I'm working on this wig. Guys, by the way, we finished the other wig we have been working on last week. Let me show it to you. That is it. How does it look, guys? This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So we finished that yesterday. So even also yesterday I had to ventilate this part. So this is the remaining part. Mine is remaining. So guys, I was thinking that my niece was going back today at school. Was going back today to school, but she's going back on Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, so she told me that she will finish this week before she goes. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So guys, like, woo! Jesus, look at this. My dummy stand has fallen down. Oh, so have you seen my outfit? Guys. So let me get the strands for this week. So this is the color we mixed last time. For this. So let's put it here. We have to mix that color. Is it enough? Let me show you. So you have to get this. This is color. So guys, this is color 33. Oh, let's get this also. This is color 27. And this is color color 30, 33, 27. So that's the combination we made last time to come up with this. Come up with that. So guys, I can't wait to see how that wig will look. You know, you guys want to see my outfit? Do you guys want to see my outfit? Yeah guys, so let me start work. I'll get back to you soon, guys. Look at these cows. Two hearts running wild. Guys, how do I look? How do I look? Pacha, 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 pacha. Are those the correct lyrics? Oh my god. Pacha, 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 pacha.